No.
Do you like the car or what, mate?
Yeah.
What car are we in?
Clown.
What are you saying, guys? It's Reece from Race Planet, and today is gonna be a good day. I'm down at MB Developments and I've got all the visual mods for the G82 that you can see behind me, and they're all going on today. So by the end of today, the look of the car is going to be totally transformed. It's going to look bloody beautiful. And also I'm going to show you around MB Developments because there's been loads and loads and loads of changes. Stay tuned. Okay, so the goodies that I've got going on the car today, I've got some goodies from Auto ID, I've got goodies from Carbon Works and from Maxton Designs. So we're going to open up the packages now and see what's going on the car. So the goodies that I got from Auto ID was their CSL style front grille in gloss black, and I've also got the IBAC lowering springs and wheel spacers because the M4, it just sits too high, needs to come down a bit, and the wheels are too in, the stance isn't right. So obviously we've addressed the stance and we've addressed the front grille. From Carbon Works, we have got M Performance style spoiler. So it is carbon spoiler, and I think it's going to transform the back of the car, because the spoiler that's on the back of the car right now, I think I mentioned it last time, like, to me it's not a spoiler. I'm used to my big wings coming from Subarus, coming from the FK2 Type R, the FK8 Type R. They've all got big wings, so I've got to have, it doesn't have to be massive, but it has to be big-ish, you know what I mean? These little lips and stuff, these lips like this one here, unfortunately doesn't do it for me. Finally, from Maxton Design, I have got a front lip, side skirts lips should I say, and I've got the two, I don't even know what you call them, they go on the back. It's like lips for the back corner of the back of the car. I have also ordered a diffuser that goes in the middle from Maxton Design, but they didn't have any in stock. They have to be made, so I think they're about a month or 2 month wait or something like that. So when that comes, I'll be putting that on the car. Now I've decided to go gloss black with the lips for two reasons. Firstly, it matches the car, because at the bottom of the car it's gloss anyway. It's got gloss black on the bottom of the car anyway, so it would it's going to match them. And then also the price difference from the carbon to the gloss is absolutely ridiculous. If I would have got all these parts that I've got, the side skirts, the front lip, the diffuser and the front grille, I think I would have paid something like 4 times more than what I've paid. With me lowering the car as well, I'm very weary of me breaking the front lip. I know Ricky from Living Life Fast, I think he said on his M3 estate, I think he said he's on his 3rd lip already, and they're carbon. We all know Ricky's got deep pockets, so he can handle it, you know what I mean? But me, my pockets ain't that deep, so I ain't looking to be replacing carbon front lips all the time. So those are the 2 reasons I went for the gloss black. So yeah, with all these parts on the car, that's going to be the visual look of the car sorted. I think it's going to transform the car. I already like the look of the car, but there's little things, like I've already said, there's little things that needed improving, and I think I've addressed everything that needs improving on the looks. So quite excited to see the end result, you know what I mean? Know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for it. Also like this video and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Yeah, sound. So first mini problem solved using Google. We couldn't find the bloody locking nut. Search everywhere for the car. I'm like, yo, I haven't took anything out of this car. I hadn't anything done to the wheels or anything. Can't find the locking nut. Looked everywhere. Went on Google and guess where it was? In the boot. Take this out. Down here, there is a secret compartment. And it's in there. So, with what we're going to get, Jono, we need some. Jono's not happy with the screws, not the screws that come with the front lip and the side skirts, etc. So we're going to get some Jono's happy with. Am I, Jono?
Yeah. We're gonna go and get some self-tappers with washers.
Some self-tappers with washers, and we're going to get food as well.
Yeah.
Man, hungry, you know. Trust me. We're in there, Jono, the S1. Jono's got S1, yeah? S1, yeah? Standard.
Yeah.
Is it standard?
Yeah.
Is it standard? Are we telling the insurance company's not watching, you know? I ain't gonna put the reg on, mate.
300 brake.
300 brake! Fuck you, know. Jono, do you wanna race, mate?
Nah, you're right.
Sure.
Yeah.
You getting some new? Looks like something out of Guardians of the Galaxy. It doesn't look much smaller.
No. So because the gap's bigger in the middle.
Oh yeah.
So they can
press more.
They can press more, exactly. So they do that so they keep the comfort, but they're a bit thicker.
Okay.
So a bit firmer with the ties. See, ties up here.
Yeah.
So it's like a variable kind of spring rate. So that's when it compresses lowers, it gets tighter because the spring do harder. So here you do like your comfort kind of thing.
Yeah.
Right, clever how to do it.
I've had to shoot out from MB Developments because I've got to do the school run, and obviously the car's not finished. The only thing left to do now is the carbon spoiler needs to be put on. So that's what they're doing now. So I've had to shoot out to go and do the school run to pick up my son Mano, and then go back and obviously collect the car. Now, because the guys down at MB Developments are just so sick, and that, you know what I mean? And MB Developments is just such a good company, strong on customer service. Matty's only threw me the keys to the McLaren to do the school run in. So I'm currently now doing the school run in the McLaren. Marno, my son, is gonna have an absolute meltdown when he walks out and sees this car. He loves this car. Every time I take him to MB Development, he's always asking about it and always, oh, can Matty take me for a drive? Can I go in it? Can I go in it? Well, I'm picking him up now, so yes, just picked up Marno from school. Marno,
Yeah.
do you like the car or what, mate?
Yeah.
What car are we in?
McLaren.
What are you acting shy for, man? Stop acting shy. Now this McLaren here is bright orange. Yeah, I swear the looks I was just getting at that school. Like, man. So what are you saying, man? I should come pick you up from school in the McLaren every day, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's Myla gonna go though? I said nowhere. So, what do you think about the look of Daddy's new car? 2 thumbs up.
Huh?
You like the spoiler?
I want it bigger.
You want it bigger? Well, maybe on your car, on Need for Speed on your computer, but that's big enough for me on this car. That's it, done. All the parts are on an M4. Unfortunately, the car is super dirty, so I'm gonna go and get it cleaned, and I'm gonna take some proper video and pictures and stuff once it's all cleaned. But yeah, everything's gone on how it's supposed to have gone on. There's been no problems, and it looks absolutely savage. Sound. All right then, Big Matty. So obviously MB developed. Firstly, the car. What did you think about working on the car? And
what a machine! What a machine! But to be drilling holes in a brand new car is like, yeah. But what a machine! What a car! And just look how it turned out. Like, it's just transformed. You know, a day's work has transformed the whole car. It's, you know what I mean? A mean looking car was, and now look at it like it just, yeah, just everything it's done. It just looks really well. Once it's settled, clean. Gonna look awesome, mate. Really gonna look apart.
all right,
It's just beautiful, just beautiful.
cool sound. So thank you for doing that. And also, since we've been here filming, a lot has changed. Then
Oh, yeah.
behind you, I can see a little room that wasn't here before. So tell us what's going on with all this
So
now.
obviously, with the business evolving and we changing with the times, we've built our own dyno cell in-house. You know, as much as we love to go out to different places and that, it means we can just do it all in-house rather than, you know, relying on other people. We do it here. We, you know what I mean, tuning, remapping days 1 to 4, well 1 to 3, sorry, on most cars. The Subaru, we're still big in the Subarus, doing all the custom tuning on them. We're back to doing restoration work. We're back to doing custom, you know, builds on the setup. You know what I mean? We're trying to do everything. We also do the aqua blasting. We do the aircon machine. You know what I mean? We've really tried to evolve over the last couple of years, and part of a big plan we've had for, you know, to evolve with just the time. So, and then doing cars like yours is where we want to also be. We don't want to just be Subarus.
Yeah.
We want to be everything. So performance wise, we want to try and get our fingers into so many pies. But this is a game changer for us. You know what I mean? It really has. You know, we can develop cars. We can, you know, work with other local, you know, mainly local companies, but other companies as well to develop stuff, test things out. Also, we get to test our own cars out rather than just saying, "Oh, it's so much," or "We think it is." You can prove in the pudding now, and this, you know, this cell really works. So so when you're ready, we strap it on. But yeah, like you can see, it's a proper purpose-built dyno room. So this is a big thing for last year. You know, we've done a lot of work the previous year, you know, getting the new offices in, the shop in there. But this was always a game plan. It's just building up to it, and then even just a ramp we've worked on the car on. You know what I mean? You've got a low car already, it's even lower now. They come into their own being completely flush. If there's ever an issue on the dyno, they go straight on there, or before there onto the dyno. So we're just trying to cover all avenues. So hopefully this year we do a full dyno day yourself, maybe an open day as well. Get some great footage, get some great content out there, as well as cars. You know what I mean? We want to get back out there because we've had a good couple of years hiding behind closed doors, doing all these. We want to get back out there, so we've got some big plans this year. So yeah, this year we'll be back out and active.